Some key ingredients to look for when you're buying foods are really whole real foods. Make sure that the ingredients include real foods that you can pronounce when you're buying different packaged products. So when you think about digestive health, I want you to think about eating whole real foods with fiber that's going to feed the good bacteria in your gut. So think about fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds. When you think about oral health, you want to make sure that you are consuming nutrients like calcium that is going to be good for your teeth. And then you also want to make sure that you are fighting the acid attacks on your teeth. So think about incorporating ingredients like baking soda. It's one of the reasons I recommend a toothpaste like Arm & Hammer toothpaste, which includes the natural ingredient baking soda, because it clears away stains and it also fights the harmful acid that attacks our teeth from different foods and beverages throughout the day. Overall health, the most important thing you're going to do is incorporate as many whole real foods as possible into your day. Really focus on eating whole real foods, fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts and seeds, and other healthy fats like avocado and olive oil, and high quality lean protein, whether it's plant protein from nuts and seeds and legumes, or other types of protein from high quality meat like a grass-fed beef. And then of course make sure you are drinking adequately and you are sleeping properly and you are managing your stress, and of course exercising. One thing I love to do for breakfast is always to have overnight oats, because I can make it the night before and then it's a great on-the-go breakfast in the morning. And then for dinner, I love having bowls where everybody can mix and match and make their own dinner. You can go to nutritiouslife.com and ahtoothpaste.com.